Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning to all of you.
Ma'am,
I can see such cute, nice, fresh faces. It's so good to see you all. Have you seen me,
ma'am.
children? Have you seen me before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. What did I used to teach you?
General knowledge and comprehension.
Wonderful. General knowledge and comprehension. So what
Ma'am.
am I going to teach you in this year?
Ma'am,
Yes, I'm going to teach you SST. SST is my favorite subject. And I'm going to make it your favorite subject. What are we going to do?
That's my favorite subject already.
Oh, SST is your favorite subject also. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am also. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
say.
My also favorite subject.
Okay. So you have SST. Yes.
Ma'am, I not have a SST book.
You do not.
Ma'am, I don't have a SST book.
Okay. Why don't you have? Have you not purchased your new book set?
I have not. Ma'am, I can't get it.
You did not get it in the store.
Ma'am, stock of SST books we have, but SST
Beta, one by one. One by one. Yes. What?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, there was no stock of SST note textbook, so we can't get it.
Okay. No problem. Otherwise, those who have purchased new book, can you please show other students the cover page of the book? Very nice. Akshada, you have purchased your book set?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful. Rishabh Kumar, you have
I
purchased.
don't have a photo of social because it was pending.
All right, it was pending. So there are many students in the class who do not have their socials book today. No problem. So let's do one thing. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have purchased. My father will purchase it.
No problem, no problem. Today is what? Today is Saturday. So let's keep it
Excuse
as...
me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, I have not purchased your book, but ma'am, my brother's old books are with me.
Very nice. So it is the same book that we are following this year. Your brother's book is going to help you out. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have SST book.
No problem. Let's talk in general about SST. Now, what do you mean by SST? Anybody can tell me?
The book.
Yes, what is SST?
Social studies.
Social studies.
Social
Very good.
means the past of social studies.
Social studies.
Ma'am, SST means
What is social studies? Now, what do you mean by social studies? Can anybody just think and tell what do we mean by social studies?
social studies is ma'am, the subject name is social studies because it is the study of the environment and states. Study and social studies means that in which we know about history, cultures, and environment.
Very nice. We learn about history. We learn about different cultures. Yes, beta.
This is book of SST. See this.
No, this is not the book.
Learn about the social area. Of GK. Ma'am, this is book of general knowledge.
Yes, this is your general knowledge book. Okay, anything else?
Ma'am, tomorrow I buy.
Tomorrow you're going to buy it.
No, ma'am, tomorrow I buy my book. Ma'am, yesterday I buy my book.
Yesterday I bought my book. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All those students who are from class 4B, please raise your hands. Class 4B. Let me see how many of you are there from Shirsh, Rishabh Kumar, Suprema Yadav. And who else? Who else? Who else? Nobody? Only 3 students? Rasya. Rasya, which section are you from? Rasya Agarwal? Stuti Khandelwal. Okay, Stuti Khandelwal. And Daksh Pratap Singh. Which section are you in? Daksh Pratap Singh, are you in 4th B or 4th C?
Ma'am, I am in 4th C.
4th C. Okay.
Ma'am, I
Arish
was in
Chaudhary
4th
is
C.
in my class. Raina Agarwal, where are you? Raina Agarwal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I am in class 4th
Ma'am,
C.
we have to make the SST notebook one side.
Yes.
Ma'am,
one
I am
side
Daksh.
plain.
Ma'am, I also.
You have to make
Uh,
your SST notebook one side plain and one side ruled. Children, those who do not have their SST books, have you got complete set of your notebooks?
Sorry for
Your
disturbing.
copies are there? Your new copies are there with you?
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, everybody will get a chance to speak. Just speak one by one. Just speak one by one. Yes.
Ma'am, got it. Book.
Yes, beta. Stuti Khandelwal say.
Ma'am, I have a book, but ma'am, I have not.
You have not?
Excuse me, book.
No problem. Those who don't have SST book, it is perfectly fine. Buy it by Monday, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, how do SST book look? This is my SST notebook.
Show me your
I
SST
made.
notebook. Where is the SST notebook?
Ma'am, this is my SST notebook.
Very nice. So you have to make a notebook which is plain on one side and on one side we have lines. Okay?
Ma'am, like this?
Yes, yes. Perfect. Rishabh Kumar.
Ma'am,
Perfect. Yes, Aksha Goyal. It is
okay, ma'am.
one side plain and one side lines.
Yes,
One side
ma'am.
ruled.
Now I get this.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Now, students, we were talking
please
about
take my
this. Daksh,
notebook.
Pratap, you want to say something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, बेटा.
दक्ष प्रताप की मदर बोल रही हूँ मैं.
हाँ जी, बताइए.
सेक्शन कैसे चेंज हो गया मैम?
मैम कौन से सेक्शन में है ये?
सेक्शन 3rd ए था ये बच्चा कि ना वो 4th सी.
मैम तो he is a good performer. Shuffling हुई है सब बच्चों की. So there is no issue about it. It has been shifted to C section. So actually previously
According
there were
to
two sections. Ma'am, there were just 2 sections, 3rd A and 3rd B. So now students had to be shifted to C section because in 4th class there are 3 sections. Many students have been shifted there.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Hanji. So ma'am, don't
Any
worry.
scale for the shifting?
Sorry?
शिफ्टिंग करने का कोई रूल्स था कि किसके अकॉर्डिंग बच्चों
नहीं ma'am,
या randomly?
we have cream students in all the 3 sections. Daksh Pratap is a cream student and we
Okay,
have Hanji. So don't worry at all.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So students, what we were talking about? We were talking about social studies. What is social studies? Any other thing that you can tell me? What do you mean by the term social? What is social?
Ma'am, I know the Ma'am, I know the SST full form, but I don't know the full form of T.
Social. Beta,
Social means attractions.
social means
Interactions.
attractions. Any other thing?
Interaction.
Interactions. Okay, very nice. So interactions. Where do you interact? With whom do you interact? Tell me.
Ma'am, with the person.
Can you sit in a room alone and you can interact with anyone? No. For interaction,
No.
who do you need? We need people.
Ma'am, we need a
around us.
person.
Yes, we need people around us to interact. So, how can we socialize? How do we socialize? With people. We socialize with people. And in social studies, what are we going to study? We are going to study about humans. We are going to study about people. Do you know? Do you agree with this? Yes or no?
Yes.
What are we going to
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
Yes, we are going to
Yes.
learn new things about people around the world. Is that clear? How people in the past used to live, how people in the present live their lives, how people around us live, how people in different states live their lead their lives. We are going to study all this in social studies. Did you all know that social studies is about all this? Did you all know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have given you a very broad idea of what social studies is. Now each one of you has to give me one thing that, ma'am, we are going to study, one different idea of what social studies is and what you are going to study in social studies. Tell me. Think I'll give you just 1 minute. All of you have got 1 minute with yourselves. Think of one point that you are going to study this in social studies. And then you will raise your hand and tell me.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have Varishtha. Varishtha, am I calling out your name correct?
No, ma'am.
Varshita, sorry, Varshita.
Varshita.
Varshita, okay.
Varshita.
Varshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Varshita, okay. So what are you, what have you thought, Varshita?
We will learn how to communicate with different types of people.
Very nice, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, any other person with any other idea? Any other person?
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I?
Akshata. Akshata, yes, very good.
Ma'am's history of people.
Very nice. We are going to study history of different people. Jaskaran Singh wants to say something. Jaskaran, I thought you're raising your hand. Were you not raising your hand? Okay, in social studies, we are also going to learn about different people living in different areas of the country. Yes, Mokshit, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have to learn about the atmosphere of the earth.
you, everybody be quiet. Let Mokshit, no, all of you be quiet. Let Mokshit finish first. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, atmosphere of the earth.
Very good, very nice.
the SST book is not available on the bookshop.
Okay, beta, it is not available today. Sorry, it was not available yesterday. Maybe you will get it today or tomorrow.
Ma'am.
That is why we are learning. We are talking in general. We are talking about general things of social studies. I'm not beginning any new chapter. Okay? Yes, now say Akhya Goyal, you were saying something? Yes,
Ma'am, today we are going to purchase the book of social
yes,
studies.
yes, you can purchase it today. Then what else?
Ma'am, may I off my camera for 2 minutes?
Okay.
Ma'am, can I solitary?
Yes, beta, say.
Ma'am, I am interested in geography because I want to know about different civilization.
Very good, very nice.
Ma'am, can I tell Yatharth?
Yes, beta, say. Definitely say.
Ma'am, to know about the world.
To know about the world. Very good. Wonderful. So we have different things that we are going to study. We are going to study about human behavior. We are going to study about different relationships, sources, institutions, and different fields in social studies. Did you have social studies in your previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
At that time it was called EVS, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
EVS.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now EVS
Yes, ma'am.
now EVS has been divided into two branches. What are those two branches?
Science.
Yes. Very good. Very good. EVS has been divided into science and social science. It has been divided into science and social science. Wonderful. Now, when we talk about social science, let's begin learning with the history of people. What will we learn? We will first learn the history of our ancestors. Yes. Okay. Tell me one thing very general. People of the past. The people of the past, what are they known as?
Ancestors.
Who answered it? Who answered? Where is Samarth Singh? Why can't I see Samarth Singh in my screen? Where is Samarth? Okay, wonderful, Samarth. So people of the past are called ancestors. Ancestors. Very good. And what are those people called who study history?
Ma'am, historians.
Very good, Sarthak Agarwal. I am very impressed. We have not started.
Which page number?
Beta, we are just talking in general. I'm not saying, I'm not teaching you from the book. We are just, yes, talking in general about history. When we begin to learn social studies, what will we do first? We are going to learn something about from history. Okay, so the people who study history are called historians. What are they called?
Historian.
Now, very good. Everybody type in the chat box and show me you know the spellings of historian. Let me see how many of you type it correct. Historians. Very good, Shaurya Tyagi. Shaurya Tyagi has got such good speed. Sarthak Agarwal, beta, once again. Then Shaurya Tyagi, Mokshit, Samarth, Harsh Patel, Yatharth, Pranav Agarwal, Akshada Tiwari, type it again. Sarthak Agarwal, very good. Mokshit, very good. Arhan, Shesh, Naman, type it again. Parmeet, type it again. Devansh, type it again. Kunal Patel, type it again. Atharv Gupta, very good. Rasya, beta, type it again. Akshadha, very good. Rishabh, very good. Raina, type it again, beta. Naman, type it again. Karthik, very good. Devansh, very good. So many of you, almost all of you with the correct spellings of historian. Now let me see how many of you know the spelling of ancestors. Ancestors, people of the past. Those people who are not alive, who are no more alive, and they have become the people of the past are called ancestors. Amazing. Shaurya Tyagi, wonderful beta. So many wrong spellings. Okay, next correct spelling comes from Atharv Gupta. Very good. Then Mokshit Mishra. Very good. Akhya Goyal. Very nice. Rishabh Kumar. So children, all of you need to search the correct spellings. Pranav Agarwal, very good. Yatharth, wrong. Naman, good. Everybody please just Google the correct spellings of ancestors. Let me see how many will make correction now. Just learn it yourself from Google right now. Shaurya Tyagi, unmute yourself and tell the spelling of ancestors.
Okay, ma'am. Then the spelling of ancestor are ANCESTORS.
Very nice. All of you got it now? ANCESTORS. 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 Okay, children, what is history? Can anybody tell me what is history?
Ma'am, history is a study about the past.
Ma'am, history is our past.
History is the study of the past.
History is the study, yes.
Study of the past.
History is the study of the past.
Ma'am, history is a study about past.
The subject that tells us about the past.
History is a study about past.
So how do we study our past? How can our past be studied? Tell me. Something that has gone, how can it be studied?
Ma'am,
From
such thing.
Yes, Parmeet, what are you saying?
from
Yes, Varshita.
ma'am, from scriptures.
From sculptures. Do you mean to say sculptures?
Scriptures.
Scriptures. Okay. What are scriptures? Children, do you know what are scriptures? Varshita, you will tell. What are scriptures?
Which is written about old people. Ancient people.
Beta, scripture is not that. Varshita. See, scripture is particularly the sacred writing of Christianity. It is
Ma'am,
only
by
related
culture.
to the Christian religion. We can't say that we study history from scriptures. Scripture is particularly
Ma'am, by
related to
culture.
Christian religion. Anybody else with any other answer?
Ma'am, culture.
Ma'am, with all the stories, poems, and paragraphs.
Yes. Yes. So
Ma'am, by
what?
culture.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. Say, Varshita.
from old books also we can learn.
Yes. Where do
Ma'am,
we
by
study
culture.
history from? Where do we study history from?
Ma'am, by culture.
From social science.
Literature.
Yes, we can study history from various sources. From various sources. Those sources can be in written form also and in the form of remains also. Now, what kind of remains? Like monuments, like stones, like coins, like various metals or any other thing. They can be in written form also. The language, the script that was used in the past, how people used to communicate in the past, it all can be studied through these various sources. Isn't it? It can be studied even
Yes.
from the remains of humans, from the remains of animals, and the non-living things also. What are remains? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of remains? Who will tell?
Things which has been left.
Very nice, very good. The leftover things from the past or anything, the leftover. Basically, it is the leftover. So there are so many things that when the people died in the past, their things remained here. From these things, we studied, the historians studied these things, and they have taken out so much from the remains. And then they have recorded things, they have maintained the events that happened in the past, and they have formed so much for us to study. That is where we study history from. Otherwise, how will we come to know? We are living today. How will we come to know that what happened 100 years back? What happened 200 years back? Can we do this guess game? Can it be just done by guessing? No, definitely
No,
not.
ma'am.
It can't be done by guessing. How can we do it? We do it
Ma'am, it can be done
by studying the remains. There are so many things that we have studied about. Okay. Now, all of you, I'm just going to give you 5 words that you have to type in the chat box. Or you want to write it in your copies, children? Difficult words. Tell me.
Not in the chat box.
You want to
Ma'am,
type in the chat box? All right. So, write down.
Ma'am, copy.
Okay. Next class I have after your break, after your interval, I again have a class with 4th B. Right? In that we are going to do it in copy. And then later I have the next period with 4th C. That is the 5th period. So 4th C, we will do the written work in our copies in that period. Right now, let's do it in the chat box. Okay? The first word that you have to write is photographs. Write down the spelling. Tell me how many know the correct spelling of photographs. Yes, Jaskaran, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. I am going in chat box, so I have raised my hand.
No problem, beta. No problem. Photographs. Wonderful. All of you know the correct spelling of photographs. The next word is battles. Battles. This is wrong spelling, Akhya. Wrong spelling, Akhya Goyal. Wrong spelling. Battle. B-A-T-T-L-E is battle. Then the next word is ancient. The next word is ancient. Wonderful. Shaurya Tyagi, Samarth Singh, Mokshit. I have a wonderful class, huh? All the children already know everything. Ancient. Not all of you have sent the word ancient. Hurry up, children, send it soon. How many words have I spoken? Photograph, battle, and ancient.
Ma'am, 3 words.
Yes. Those, any student who has missed any word can write it. These 3 words were photograph, ancient, and battle. Rajat Gangwar, beta. Type the correct spellings of ancient. Okay. Shirsh. Shirsh, unmute yourself and tell us the spelling of ancient.
ANCIENT.
Very good. ANCIENT. That's ancient. Okay. Rasya Agarwal. Rasya, even you're a newcomer? New admission?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Welcome to SR family. All those who are new, welcome to SR International. Varshita is also new. Varshita. And
Ma'am,
who else is
Varshita.
new? Who else is
Ma'am,
new?
Varshita.
Varshita. Sanvi. Sanvi
Varshita.
Agarwal. Okay. Sanvi and Rasya are twins. Sanvi Agarwal and Rasya Agarwal.
Ma'am and Raina Agarwal, I also.
Ma'am, we are cousins.
You are
Ma'am,
cousins.
Raina and Rashya are cousins.
Okay, okay. Who else is new? We have 3 students here who are new. Sanvi,
Ma'am.
Rasya, and Varshita.
Ma'am, I also.
Oh, Raina Agarwal is also new.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice, very lovely. Huh? Beautiful faces we have. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Rasya Agarwal is going to tell us the spellings of battle.
BATLE.
Beta, say it once again.
BATTLE.
Very good, very nice. And Raina Agarwal. Raina, unmute yourself and show us your face. What was the third word? Ancient, battle, and photograph. What is the spelling of photograph?
PHOTOGRAPHS.
Very nice, lovely. Okay, the next word is modern. Modern. Pranav Agarwal. Okay, Pranav Agarwal is also saying, ma'am, I am new admission. Where is Pranav Agarwal? I can't see him. Pranav, let me see you. Where are you? Just speak something, Pranav. There are so many students on my screen. Pranav, okay. So Pranav, are you all related? Are you all cousins? Rasya, Pranav, Raina. Raina? No, you're not cousins. Okay. All of you are.
Ma'am, Raina is my cousin sister.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I'm the sister of Rishit Agarwal.
Where is Rishit Agarwal? In which class is he?
Ma'am, in 7C.
Okay, okay. And
My brother.
Ma'am, you teaches French.
yes, I teach French. I teach French. And where is Pranav? Pranav, are you somebody's cousin here?
Ma'am, my brother is.
Is anybody saying anything? Okay. The next word was? Yes?
The class is over.
Yes, the class is over. Now all of you can go for your break time. Go, hurry up and have your breakfast. Bye to all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I'm